Hi students, welcome to Lavanya chemistry classes. In this video lesson, I am going to teach you about dipole moment. Today's session, I want to explain about dipole moment. What is dipole moment? This topic is from chemical bonding. This question is very important and important applications in dipole moment. In IP examination, this is a short answer type question. Dipole moment is taken from chemical bonding chapter. Dipole moment, before we go into learn about dipole moment, we learn electronegativity and polarity of bonds. What is electronegativity and what are polarity of bonds and what is dipole moment of polar covalent bonds and dipole moment of non-polar covalent bonds, and examples of dipole moment. In this session, we want to explain about electronegativity, polarity of bonds, dipole moment of polarity of polar covalent bonds, and dipole moment of non-polar covalent bonds, and examples of dipole moment. What is electronegativity? First of all, we discuss with electronegativity. Electronegativity is a chemical property that describes the ability of an atom electrons towards itself. That means the shared pair of electron towards itself. That is called as electronegativity. And the symbol of electronegativity can be X. Trends in electronegativity increases across the period and decreases down the group. Already we know about electronegativity. Fluorine is most electronegative element and cesium is the least electronegative element. Fluorine is most electronegative element and cesium is less electronegative element. And next one is the polarity of bonds or polar bonds. What is polarity of bonds or bond polarity? The bond polarity, when there is a bond between atom with difference less than 1.7 different electronegativity, is called as polarity of covalent bond. That means when there is a bond between atom with different electronegativity, then more electronegative atoms has a partial negative charge and other has a partial positive charge, resulting formation of a polar covalent bond. Now, what are polar molecules? What is polarity? Polarity means charge separation. That polar molecules, a molecule is polar when there exist two separate poles of charges in the molecule between at two different positions. That means, for example, we taking HF molecule. In HF, fluorine gets a partially negative charge and hydrogen gets a partially positive charge. The separation of bonds, the separation of charges is called as charge separation. What are non-polar molecule? Those molecules in which there is no charge separation of positive and negative charges in a molecule are called as non-polar molecule. For example, CO2, BF3, BeH2, CH4. There is no charge separation of molecules. So these are called as non-polar molecules. H2O, HCl and H3SO2 are the polar molecule. This is called as polarity of bonds. And next one is the dipole moment. What is dipole moment? Dipole moment, it refers to the quantity of a system to behave like a dipole. It is defined as the product of the magnitude of charge on atoms and distance between the two bonded atoms. For example, AB is a molecule. Let us assume in AB molecule, the A separates and B separates. This is the A atom and this is a B atom. The separation of charges and distance between the molecule are called as dipole moment. Q1, Q2 are the charges. Q1 is the A atom charge and Q2 is the B atom charge. And the distance between the molecules are denoted by R. The common units of dipole moment is dB. SI unit is coulomb meter. Here the formula is mu equal to Q1 Q2 by R. Q is the charge and R is the distance between the bonded atoms. And dipole moment is a vector quantity and its direction is given by arrow pointing from positive and negative centers. One dB, the value of dipole moment can be 1 dB is equal to 3.33564 into 10 to the power of minus 30 coulomb meters. Here, greater the charge, larger will be the dipole moment. Here, the charge is greater, dipole moment is larger, and the distance is smaller, dipole moment is lesser. These are the important. These 2 points are very important, and also in the objective examination 1 dB is equal to watt and units of dB. In SI units, dipole moment units are coulomb meter and common units dB. What is the dipole moment definition? It is defined as the product of magnitude of charge on atoms and distance between two bonded atoms are called as dipole moment. This is called as dipole moment. And next one is the dipole moment of polar covalent bond. Polar covalent bonds in dipole moment. When a bond is formed between two dissimilar atoms, then more electronegative element becomes more electron rich, whereas a less electronegative element becomes electron deficient. More electronegativity, more electron rich, and less electronegativity, electron deficient, resulting in a polar covalent bond. The dipole moment of a polar bond is 0, mu bond is not equal to 0. And that means the bond polarity is not equal to 0, and the dipole moment of a polar molecule is non-zero. This is called as dipole moment of polar covalent bond. And next one is the dipole moment of non-polar covalent bond. In a non-polar covalent bond, when a bond is formed between two dissimilar atoms with similar electronegativity, when a bond is formed between two similar atoms, for example H2, Cl2, F2, then the bond pair of electrons is equal to attracted by then the bond pair of electrons is equally attracted by both the atoms or atoms. As a result, both the atoms are neutral. Such bond formed is called as non-polar covalent bond. Here, non-polar covalent bond, the examples are CO2, CH2 and ammonia, NH3. These are the non-polar covalent bonds representing. Whereas dipole moment, the resultant dipole moment of a non-polar polar molecule is 0. Dipole moment of bond is 0. Non-polar molecule is 0. That means the mu molecule, dipole moment of a molecule is 0. This is the dipole moment summary, and next classes we are discuss with applications of dipole moment or examples of dipole moment. Thank you. Please subscribe and share your friends. Please support my channel.